How much it cost for brownie? Cost for brownie, yeah. Brownies. Whenever I listen to this word, my greedy tongue starts watering and my eyes present some images of delicious brownies. There may be least to no haters of brownies out there. We had earlier talked about the cupcakes, today we are going to talk about the brownies in brief. What is a brownie? A simple chocolate-baked brownie is called chocolate brownie. There are many types of brownies depending on the added ingredients and their form. The popularity of the item is because one can bake a brownie according to one's choice. There are some fixed ingredients, but the number of ingredients and choosing extra ingredients are up to the cook. Of course, you can make a brownie with desired ingredients and name it whatever you want. Cost for brownies: generally, it is a baked treat, which is commonly made of butter, chocolate, sugar, flour and eggs. You can also add nuts, jelly, etc. Variation in the number of ingredients changes the look and taste of the product. In bakeries or restaurants, the average cost for brownie is $3. Obviously, there are some cheap and some expensive options available. Well, it will depend on your choice and your location. Types of brownies: many bakeries sell a brownie for $1 to $5 depending on the type. Here are some types of brownies sorted. Classic brownie. Classic brownies are usually made from butter, chocolate, sugar, flour and eggs, but the amount of ingredients varies. Cake-like brownie. Cake-like brownies are baked with a high amount of flour and less butter. A little amount of baking powder is added to make it soft and light. Fudgy brownie. Fudgy brownies are made of less amount of flour and more amount of butter, which makes it fudgier. Mostly no baking soda is added in it. Chewy brownie. Chewy brownies are made with more flour than fudgy ones. Brown sugar is also added in them usually. How does it cost to bake brownies at home? The brownie game is all about the ratio of added ingredients. So, mind the ingredients and the volume of ingredients as well. The average cost of 20 brownies at home would cost $3 to $5. Are brownies healthy? You know, it depends on the ingredients you've added. But generally, it delivers zinc, folic acid, saturated fat, some other vitamins and lots of sugar and fat. So, taking bites of brownies daily is not a healthy diet option. How long brownies can last? Well, if you will try to preserve it with enough care, like airtight packing and storing in a lower temperature, fresh brownies can last up to 3 to 4 days. How to save money when buying brownie? If you have enough ingredients and time, then bake it at home. Try some cheaper bakeries than well-known bakeries and restaurants. Buy in higher quantities for discounts. Love it, but don't love it blindly. Keep control over eating them. Don't be only tongue conscious but also health conscious.